Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, it's your boy EFX-SNIPER. I just want to show you guys something. I've got a lot of entries that I did take from the past 2 days because it's been a long time since I opened a trade. I've been like learning and also having a Zoom session with my brother Moses. So we've been discussing about a lot of the markets and other stuff. So let me show you guys the entry I've been taking. So this is, I took this one here since last night, then I took another one here. I'm just gonna give you guys the breakdown of these two trades. What was the reason, why did I take those entries, and I end up also missing again this one. So market come back because I closed this one, I hold this one here, then I took another entry again. So let me show you guys again like what I was predicting before it happened. So this was my plan, like what was supposed to happen, and I'm gonna give you guys a reason also why I knew that market wouldn't come back more to the downside, like deep down, because market is already react on this line here. So this line is kind of weekly time frame. You see, I'm gonna make also a video again about all this entry. I took them yesterday, and you see this one was like a snap entry, and what I predicted. So what is the higher time frame? Those higher time frame I selected. Anyway, so I've got all this stuff placed in put in one place, you know, like trying to see what was happening and how I could be able to get the entry. When I wake up, I saw this. I say I'm gonna take an entry here while I had an entry somewhere here. Then I decide market has to come back. Then I'll take an entry from this zone. Then it end up happening. You see, it end up happening. Market react again from a daily time frame zone somewhere here. And also I'm going to explain to you guys about the issue of the broker. As you can check also here, I had a zone. I was saying this is where I'm gonna sell again, but I did not take this entry. How won't I take it? Because I've already reached my targets. Can you see guys? Oh, sorry, not that one. Can you see guys here? So I had a level with this line that I'm gonna take an entry here or this area. So this was my plan for today. Just that market did not move fast as the same like what happened yesterday, and this is what I did. So I'm gonna give you guys like a full breakdown of what happened, and I was able to catch the entry and why there is this one. You see all this level, why there is this low, why did I select this one. So the first things, normally what you have to do, you need to understand that the higher time frame is the most powerful stuff, is the one that gives you direction. Without the higher time frame, you don't know what is going to happen next. So if we go, let's say we go to weekly time frame, because this is how we've been monitoring all this trade. Like for the past week, I was not trading, but I was looking at what was happening. You see, so I had two zones that I already select. This was my first zone. This area was my first zone. I said, okay, market has to come to this area here for me to be able to catch the movement, because I was not trading. And I had also this area when this candlestick was coming to the downside. I had this zone as my weekly time frame. I know there is people have been selling from here, people again sell from here, but me, I was not trading. I was just monitoring the trade and try to see like what is happening, where is market going, and you know, all those kind of stuff. And then when I had these two zones, let me just change the color. Maybe I put a line so that we know what was happening, guys. I'm gonna try by all means, you know, how I can be able to start making videos for you guys, you know. So this was the two level. When this candlestick opened, target number one was this one, and target number two was this one. Then I went to daily time frame. Like this was my analysis. I went to daily time frame. I also had selected this area. If you remember this line here, let me go to weekly time frame again. so that I can put it in maybe bold so that you can see that this is the area. As you can check this area, we've got this kissing candlestick that people in supply and demand, we call it hidden base. Then when I hide this zone, remember this is a weekly zone. At the same time, on a daily time frame, it's also a significant zone. When it is a significant zone, how do you take your trade? You take the trade because market get a straight or what? Then I went, sorry, let me just explain something again here. You see again all this area. I had also a zone selected here that market has to come. This was today when I was making my analysis. I said, okay, there is these two levels like this low, market break it. So since market break it, maybe this area is going to be more significant. Let me put my line there. And this is why you could see there is my pending order there. Then I went to H4. When I get inside H4, you're going to see this line. Do you see? This is the line on daily time frame support. Market is already break that area, but when market break that area, it leave again a decision point, the one that is here. So I was looking, okay, let me see if market is gonna get there, and we get this one was like 25 pips as a stop loss, 25 pips, because I'm expecting that market has to come back to that area. Then if you guys remember, I had an entry somewhere there, you see, that is why I had an entry. So when markets get to this area, get to this line, I was watching, I was still sitting and watching what market was happening. Then market get there, my entry is somewhere here. This is where I took my entry. Somewhere here, that's where I took my entry. What I was waiting for, it was, okay, I sought for the first time, market get on this level and reject. Second time, market get again on this level and reject. But if you trade the storyline, I'm not here to explain about storyline, because if you want to know about storyline, you go watch the video of AKFX. I know the brother explained properly about storyline, so I'm not yet really ready to come and show somehow. But when I do understand it properly, I'm gonna come and show you guys. So when there was this multiple rejection, me, I did not even look to the left side. I think I remember I went like to the M5 straight for me to be able to catch that entry. Can you see, guys? So here I just used something called QML. That's what I saw. I saw market create this low, which went up, then come and break the low again. Next minute, this candlestick come and close above this one. So the time that I took this entry is when this candlestick was opening, then it failed to get here. It started to pushing up. Then I say, you know what? I'm taking this entry. Whatever is happening is gonna happen. Then I place my entry. I put my stop loss below this zone, and market starts flying. Then I did not even care what is going to happen next and whatever. Then the market just continue. Let me check the time. Yeah, we're still good, no worry. Then market start going. So I'm trying, guys, to make it very simple and explain simple way how you could be able to catch the movement and what was happening. So when you see that market is already get to a significant level and market reject that area, do you take the trade straight like what I did? Because what I did was what we call an advanced entry before even market break of break structure. Since we are in H4 and daily time frame also rejects at the weekly time frame, then we went to like go to H4. Sorry, H1. When I was in H1, you can see I've got so many lines. What was happening here is because I was looking for what happened. Remember, guys, I always tell you guys, me when I take my entry, it's something like this. Take a break, market has to get liquidity, then we take it from here. No matter what happened, I want to see something like this. And this is why you see I've got this line. And if you check on the line chart, because when you see like that on the candlestick, sometimes you wouldn't even know that market is already give you this formation. But if we check here, you're gonna see we've got this low. We've got this low. You see this low. Market already break. Market goes to the upside, took liquidity and break. Then it leaves this zone, the zone of imbalance, whatever you call it. You can call it whatever you want. And this is the level of liquidity. Then market come to the downside, touch the area. Because if we check, this was happening during the Asia time. So this is the Asia time. You can see these things happen during the Asia time. But when I wake up, I found these things coming here already. But I did not take the entry. And I tell myself, okay, Let's see what is gonna happen. I sleep again because I was checking my entry. I saw my entry was already protected. Market is already break this one, so there was nothing that I'm gonna scare off for. But then markets went again to the upside, took out the Asian eye. When they take the Asian eye, check what happened. Market again push more to the upside. When it close, let me show you guys these things. What was it? You see? When it closed, I placed my stuff already. I said, you know what? This area is going to be the area where I'm going to come and take my entry. And whatever I said, this is what ended up happening. This is the area. Market goes to the upside. It pulled back again inside this zone. I don't give a problem because market come to the downside. But if you check from my entry to this area, it's only 10 pips, guys. Normally, like right now, when I'm trading, I'm putting stop loss of 30 pips. So 30 pips somewhere here. That is 30 pips stop loss. Doesn't have a problem. Then if you check, this one happened during Frankfurt. Market come to the downside. Then London stuff, we had this candlestick 30, then market just drop to the downside. So if we go to M30, then we're gonna check. This was 3:30. Then this one, when it's open, I took my entry. Then it goes up. Again come the scenario, because here there was a level on a daily time frame resistance. This is where market reacts. When it reacts, I'm gonna show you guys something that happened here. I was so pissed. Let me show you guys on this other broker so that you can see what happened. When I was waiting this side, you see this side, I was waiting for market to come, I believe, to this line. Then it went more to the downside. Then let me show you on Saxo broker. Let me go to H4. You're gonna see something that was amazing. You see, this happened on the Saxo broker. Liquid it, market come, touch the area, then we fly to the upside. While when you go this side to the H4, you're gonna see so many candlesticks, you don't even know which one you have to use. This one I was using M45 because normally I like M45 a lot. I see so many good stuff on M45 that I don't know if most of people they see it. You see on the M45, same scenario again. Market took liquidity. Let me just show you guys on the line chart. You see, market took liquidity, break structure inside the Asian range. It come down, create liquidity again. You see, then we drop to the downside. You see this line? I select that line and check what happened. We come here, we respect. This is the same thing that I was explaining here. So here already it's another confirmation. I've got another entry that I'm currently holding from there. Let me try to see if I can be able to put it. Let me just do something like this. I'm not just trying to make up a story here, because I took the entry that I'm trying to explain, because I just follow what I understand. You see, follow what I understand, then I apply them. So I'm just gonna post it right now in the group on my chat, because there I'm just alone. And please guys, don't come and ask me, no man, you wanna be part of that group. No, there's no such a being part of that group, because that is my chat lab where I put all my stuff so that I can be able to remember. You see guys, I can be able to remember. And by the way, I've already closed most of my trade, because I'm working with target. I don't just trade, you know, like trading. Can you see guys, the same thing? So then I decided to take the entry, I think on this blue line, if I'm not mistaken, or this one was blue line, I'm not sure, because this one I was doubting if it's gonna go there, but because of this candlestick, it just comes down and pull back. I was not able to catch the entry. Then I catch it, I think, between the two. Let me check. Let me check what is the entry. Yeah, that is the one. Yes. You see, guys, this line. This is why I took my entry. No, this blue. Yeah, this blue line. This is why I took my entry, and this is the reason why I put it here. Now imagine how many pips I've made today. Let me just calculate for you guys. how many pips, because the first one, I believe it went up until here. This is when I close it. I close all my 2 entries. So I close this entry, the one I took here, I close it here. There was also another one that I took from this area. I also close it here. Then I wait for market to come back. Then I had another entry. And this is what is happening. But where is my target for this entry? The one I took here. My target is on H4. That is my target, this area. Now, and another thing that I'm trying to see is how market is gonna react from this area. And you see, I've already even predict where market is gonna come back. So I want it to come back this side. When it come back to this side, or if we react, then we have again this zone. This is depend on our under broker or under whatever you call it. This is what I'm also looking at, because you can see our market break this area and it leaves something here. So this is also something that I'm watching, and I want to see what is going to happen. But if I come here again, that's what I'm also confused. So if I come here again, I see different stuff, but same time frame, different stuff. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna download one browser, then I'm gonna open these 2 brokers. So when I trade, I just gonna open 2 of them and try to see what is happening on them. Can you see the different how the candlestick they are printed? From this one, we have this area. If you guys can check, we have this one here. You see this one, and this one become like a zone where we're gonna look and try to see if we can catch the entry. And if we go to daily time frame is telling us, yo guys, you have to push for a bit far, but we've got again this area. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm not sure, I don't even know why I was looking at these 2 brokers at the same time. Now they are just confused me. You see, this one also is very strong, but we have got to this area. I'm also gonna watch that area. Then if I put this other broker on the same time frame, it's almost similar. Let me show you guys. It's almost similar because of this strong low. Similar but strong low. And compared to this, let me just remove this one. This one also keep on playing on this area. Keep on playing here, no problem. So you see, so this is what I'm watching. I think maybe I'm the one who's confused, because the other one I was looking on H1. Now I get it. Yeah, the other one I was looking on H1. So I'm just confused, guys. I'm sorry. I was looking on H1, and this is why H1 was giving me this one, but the other one was giving me other story. I'm sorry, guys. I remember now. So yeah, this is how it is, and I believe I have to delete so many stuff of like the one I was having here. But the only thing that gave me problem was, let me now check and see if no, this thing still giving me problem. You see, guys, Owanda H4. Can you see what happened? How many candles stick here? Then they fly. But if you check the Saxo broker, there is no such. Check where they went. And check here. Guys, it is what it is. Here, it was a snipe entry. And here, there is nothing like that. See, guys. So, let's watch and try to see what is going to happen next from here. Thanks, guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. I hope everything is gonna be fine. And yeah, it's just 19 minutes. So respect to you guys who support me. Love.